Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone. If I look a little crazy, it's because I filmed multiple makeup videos today, and so I have like a lot of makeup piled on. Let me fix it a little bit real quick because I feel like my cheeks back. My cheeks don't look as red. Whatever, I'm sunburned, it's summertime, it's okay. Welcome back to my channel guys. I'm in a really good mood today. Yesterday I was sad and I was crying, and a lot of you guys DM me telling me like, love you sis, you got this, everything's gonna be okay, I'm with you. And I was like, thanks guys. So I'm feeling a lot better today. Sometimes you just have to sulk, you know. I feel like it's too bright. Is it too bright? Sometimes you have to let yourself feel your feelings and just, you know, have a couple hours where you cry, eat some pizza, cuddle your dog. This is my baby, sweet boy. This is my baby Kello. If you've never met him, it's my little Morky. Say hi. Oh my god, look at that face, look at those eyes. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Missguided try-on haul. Thank you Missguided for sponsoring this video. I am so excited to show you guys these pieces. I have been obsessed with this little top and I haven't worn it until I filmed. So finally I filmed. I'm so excited to share it with you guys because it's super trendy, super cute. Let's get into it. Again, Missguided try-on haul. We have different styles, different items, different prints. It's a really mixed bag. So let's get, everything will be linked down below, and if I can't find the exact item, I'll try to link something very similar. So the first thing we have here is this really cute little crop top. It's very trendy. It has like that 70s vibe with the swirls, and I love the color orange. It's like a peachy, yeah, it's like a peachy, like a pastel peach color, and then it has these really pretty swirls. Just very trendy, very 70s inspired. We have a lot of 70s textures happening. It's a crop top. It is pretty cropped, so I would recommend wearing with something high waist. Okay, so since we're talking about blazers, I wanted to just throw this on. Love the way it fits. It's such a good fit. I love the combination of peach and mint, so I feel like you could even wear this like this. I love the length of the sleeves. It has slight padding at the shoulders, which I love. I'm just obsessed, and it's the perfect length too. I love when they kind of look a little bit oversized, but they don't look like giant like man style oversized blazers. Like it still has a little bit of a fit, like a fit on your body kind of look without being tight. Working pockets, I'm here for the pockets, and it's actually big enough that I can actually button it, which is amazing. Flattering. I feel like, again, you could dress this up or down. I actually did like a full monochromatic like mint sage outfit using this blazer. I'll put the picture right here. I love how it looks. It just gives very like Clueless monochromatic pastel vibes. So pretty. You could wear this again with a white t-shirt and jeans, and you just have like the cutest pastel trendy spring summer outfit. This is a size US 18, so definitely true to size, maybe even a little bit bigger. This next piece I'm obsessed with. This really gives me like 70s glamazon designer vibes. It really has that exaggerated caftan look from the 70s. And I love the lightweight material. It feels like I'm on vacation, and I want to look like elegant and rich, but it's so lightweight, and it has a lot of like nice layers to it. So there's like a layer here, and then it has a really nice lightweight kind of slightly peplum look, which I really like because a lot of the tops now are just strictly cropped. And I know a lot of people like myself are like, where are the longer tops? Like, sometimes I don't want to show my stomach because I want to eat more than usual. And sometimes when you have big hips like me, you know, you want to cover the little stomachular area and the hipular area, and you just want a little more coverage. And this gives you that. I absolutely love the dramatic sleeve, like I said, but it's not a bat wing. You still get some shape to the arm. Super lightweight. Again, love the print because it's like that safari, again, 70s pattern style. I could see myself wearing this like on a rooftop bar and just like letting the breeze move me. Okay, giving me the vibes. Like, I need a boomerang wearing this somewhere and just being like a butterfly. Ah, yes, I feel like a monarch butterfly. Abundance, love, peace. I think this is so pretty. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of when Michael Kors did the safari collection. What was it, like 7 years ago? He did like a safari inspired you know, clothing line, and then there was like a wallet. I had the wallet and it had like this kind of safari animal print, and I love it. Yes, it's giving me Halston vibes. It is a dress and I love this. So the top is a little modest for me. It's a little covered up, but this dress serves body. Okay, so let me pull it down for you guys so you can see. This dress serves body. She's serving schmacked. I can't speak. She's serving drinks. Okay, she's serving body. Ba ba boom, yes. So I love the little ruffle thing here, and then the entire arm area here is smocked. Super stretchy, super comfortable. And then from the waist down, the entire dress is also smocked, and it fits so nicely and true to size. Look how long it is. No worries about showing stuff you don't want to show. It stays in place. I could definitely see myself wearing this to brunch with the girls. I really would love to wear this to like La Duche, which is a Parisian, very famous Parisian like bakery. They have them here in New York and Paris, and this just gives me super French country vibes. Like, I want to wear this to La Duche. Who's coming with me? Yes, come with me, s'il vous plaît. Bonjour, mon ami. Let's go to La Duche and pretend we are in Paris. Like, this is really giving me that vibe. Like, okay, roll call. Who's coming with me to La Duche? Let's pretend we are in Paris. Je m'appelle Gabrielle. Ça va? Oui. Je voudrais un café et un croissant. I will stop now. I will stop now because I am serving girl who went to Europe for 2 months and comes back with an accent. That's what I'm giving you right now. But I love this dress. And again, in this dress, I'm wearing a US 18, which is amazing. Did I lose that much weight, or is it just stretchy? Okay, this next item is also giving me La Duche vibes. It's giving me Bridgerton vibes. It's giving me, again, French country, English countryside. It's so freaking cute. Now this one, I will say, runs small. There's no stretch, and it also has a zipper down the side, and it has a more fitted cropped fit. So these are my bottoms, and I just put some shorts on just so that I don't get canceled from YouTube and demonetized. But you can see it has a cropped fit, and then it also has this little tail here, and with this, what you can do is pull it up and make it even more cropped. So cute. So I am wearing a US 20, and I think it fits true to size. So with this one, I would get your regular size or size up if you are bigger on top. Okay guys, this next dress, she's giving. The top is big on me because you guys already know, small waist, big hip problems, but it's so sexy. I love it. So first of all, obviously strapless, little ring design, and it's halter style. So you literally just tie it here. Now the back has this really pretty strappy style to it, but it's big on me, so you can't really see the strappiness, but it's so, yes, it's giving body yaddy 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 yaddy. Oh, I don't want to get demonetized, But yes, nude body moment. Who is she? This is giving what I would wear to my first award show, you know? Probably with some shapewear, not gonna lie. But it is giving me award show moment. I love it. What do you guys think? This is like the curvy girl recipe right here, okay? I'm not sure what size I'm wearing. I'll let you guys know when I take it off. I feel like probably could have gotten away with a smaller size, but I think the top would still be big on me. I probably have to get it fixed because it should be fitting tighter so you can get the strappiness. This is so hot. I feel like this would be really cute if you're like a summer wedding guest and it's appropriate for the occasion. I feel like this would be really nice for like a summer wedding or some type of summer, you know, party, like rooftop, just giving it to me, vacation vibes. I really like it. Actually love it. Okay, this next dress is really similar to the nude one. It has like the same material, but it's a different style and a different color. This one is a halter cowl neck, and it is also open in the back. Really, really comfortable. Again, has the same ruching down the sides. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you can see because it's black, but it's the same material, same style. I really, really like it. I think it's so sexy and classic and chic. This is definitely gonna be a dress that I keep in my closet for as long as I can fit into it, because a bitch is planning to lose more weight. But until then, this is sexy. Again, the other dress and this one, both of them I got 22s. I should have gotten a 20. I feel like a 20 would have fit me better, especially on top where it's a little bit large. So I think that's a great thing because that means that their clothing fits really true to size. If anything, it fits a little bit bigger. So you could definitely size your regular size or size down. Really, really love that, because a lot of times, some places you get a 20 and it fits like an 18. This is a 22 and I feel like it fits very true to size. If you have a bigger chest, there's a lot of space in here. The ruching and the material, everything is like very forgiving. So I really like this. I love the material. I wish you guys could see it better. Love the material. It's so flattering. I think it makes you look so snatched. And this is like no shapewear, nothing. I love it. Here is a really, really cute bathing suit. It's a one piece. I love it. It gives super tropical safari-ish kind of vibes. I'm gonna turn up the brightness so you guys can see better, but I love the color. I feel like it gives super natural vacation vibes, like very Tulum. I just love this. Oh my god. First of all, the material is like butter. It feels like a bodysuit more than a swimsuit, and the entire thing is smocked, super stretchy. Again, it's a one piece. It has a built-in little belt that has like a tortoise shell little plastic medallion on it. The belt is not removable and it is not adjustable, which I kind of like that, because a lot of times like you lose the little belts and things that come with swimsuits or jackets and things, and the entire belt is super stretchy. So it gives the illusion and it gives a little bit of sucked in vibes without actually like sucking you in too much. So it's gonna help, you know, promote a nice little hourglass figure, but it's still super comfortable. I didn't do a salsa break in this video. haul thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to Missguided for sponsoring this video. I had such a great time. I am in love with all of these pieces. I can actually see myself wearing all of them, which is rare usually for a try-on haul. There's always one or two things that I'm not loving, but in this haul, I can see myself wearing all of these pieces. Everything is true to size. I love the materials. I just obsessed. I already made plans with someone to go to La Duche and wear that dress. So you'll be seeing photos of it on Instagram. Again, thank you to Missguided for sponsoring this video. Shop the links down below. It really helps me and supports me. I make a small commission, but it also helps show the brands that you guys love these videos, which in turn gets me more sponsorships, and in turn I can make more content for you. So it's just a nice little happy circle. We can all help each other, and if you're gonna shop either way, why not use my links? I might even have a discount code in my description box. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I love you, stay glam, and find all my socials down below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.